Wow! Club Intercontinental Lounge offers breakfast, afternoon tea and dinner happy hour all complimentary. Unboxing Hotel Intercontinental NECC. Experience Club Lounge, priority check-in service, lovely happy hour offerings. Let's reveal the premium twin room.
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Shanghai, China. Special thanks to Tree Mama for sharing footage from her business trip. With China's booming economy, it seems pretty open for international business travelers nowadays. Before we dive into the hotel, Intercontinental Shanghai Hongqaio NECC, let me share how Tree Mama got here. She flew with Chinese carrier Air China from Taipei Songshan in premium economy class, explored the best business lounge there, and discovered onboard services and what could be the meal offering for this 90-minute journey. Check out the link below for the full flight report. This Intercontinental Hotel is conveniently connected to the NECC, stands for National Exhibition and Convention Center in Shanghai, a huge plus for any show visitor, even if it's a bit pricier. Today, we've booked the premium room with lounge access, so let's head straight to the Club Intercontinental Lounge for check-in on the 10th floor. Arriving at 5:30 was perfect timing for happy hour dinner. The first impression? The interior has elegance and premium vibes, with around 50 seats available. Though currently, we are the only guests. Let's look around first. On to the buffet offerings. Light bites are of exceptional quality, and the fruits and desserts are delicious. The selection of hot dishes, though limited to 6 choices, is satisfying. And the cheese and nuts add a nice touch. On the other side, the beverage fridge offers beers during happy hour only. Interestingly, there's no food or drinks menu. Instead, you may request your preferences from the staff. We opted for sparkling wine, stir-fried broccoli, fried rice, and chicken soup. The food in the lounge comes with 5-star hotel quality with this privileged, cozy, and quiet ambiance. After having the nice dinner, our room is ready. It's conveniently located on the same floor as the club lounge. Entering the twin premium room feels like a treat for executive business person. The bathroom is well decorated with separate toilet, shower, and bathtub areas. We'll explore the details shortly. This is minibar area. We'll unbox in a minute. Our twin beds look comfy, and look at this beautiful welcome snacks. A very nice touch. A chaise longue here. And do we have anything special in the minibar? The minibar area offers bottled water and snacks, though most of them are not complimentary. Here you've got the price list. A water boiler and coffee machine with capsules and tea bags are provided. There's also a mini fridge for paid drinks, along with cups, wine glasses, and an ice bucket in it. Moving to the bathroom, we find a bathtub and Byredo amenities, consistent with the shower room. A seating area adds to the comfort. Other amenities are standard for a 5-star hotel. Here is a hairdryer and standalone toilet with transparent glass, perhaps not ideal for co-workers. The wardrobe are well equipped with bathrobes, slippers. In the middle one, you can find ironing facilities, hangers. One more wardrobe near the door got a safe. Umbrella, laundry bag, and hotel paper bag. Close this sliding door to the bathroom with a large full-length mirror behind it. The bedroom essentials include a phone, speakers, clock, remotes, and a flashlight in the drawer. A small table with 2 chairs serves business needs, with USB chargers and universal power sockets provided. Hotel cable network. I think most people are familiar Wi-Fi now, right? Okay, it's late before we unbox the facilities and club lounge breakfast and afternoon tea.
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
On to the next day. Good morning, Shanghai. The breakfast at the club lounge is a cozy choice with premium views. And different types of tables for your choices. The breakfast starts from 6:30 till 10 a.m. Now let's head to the buffet. It's located at the same dining area and presents like mini buffet from the restaurant at the lobby. The buffet offers fruits, nuts, salads, smoked salmon, cold plates, pastries, Chinese-style hot dishes, porridge, English breakfast options, bread, yogurt, soft drinks, and hot tea and coffee. Egg and noodle menus are also available. Let's take a look what Tree Mama got for her few nice stays. Egg Benedict is usually a premium option, very tasty here. Omelette with Western and Chinese porridges, yummy! Smoked salmon is the premium one, she loves that so much. After breakfast, we explore the fitness facilities on the 5th floor, including a gym, spa, and swimming pool, perfect for staying fit during a business trip or exhibition at the NECC. Unfortunately, we missed the swimming pool, but we've heard it's fantastic. Have you visited before? Let us know in the comments below. Time flies, isn't it? Let's head to the club lounge again. The final section is the afternoon tea starts from 2 p.m. till 4 p.m. One of the key benefits with lounge access is definitely you don't know what's hungry anymore. Mini club sandwich, light bites and desserts. It wasn't much options, but afternoon tea wasn't required to have too much, right? Biscuits and nuts are available. In the fridge got soft drinks. Tea and coffee. Can ask the staff to provide the service. Quite good quality of food supplies. Finally, the hotel's internal access to the exhibition center makes it perfect for business travelers, especially during rainy days in Shanghai. In summary, Intercontinental Shanghai Hongqaio NECC is a premium business hotel offering great shower amenities and true 5-star services. Club lounge access enhances the experience with hassle-free check-in, check-out, and all-day dining. Sorry we don't have footage of the hotel lobby since it is not necessary to visit there anymore. Here's a tip for you. Use Chinese taxi apps like WeChat to avoid overcharging. We hope this video helps. Good luck and enjoy your stay. In our next video, Tree Mama will fly Air China in premium economy class to Taipei, visiting the Air China home-based lounge, B02 in Shanghai Hongqiao Airport, to see what onboard dining awaits.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.